what causes mountains to erupt. It's not what you think. I used to think that mountains just kind of grow out of the ground like rocks and dirt, but no, there's actually a lot more to it than that. You see, mountains are made when two tectonic plates collide. And no, these aren't like the plates you have for dinner. These are huge chunks of rock that make up the Earth's crust, and they're constantly moving, albeit very slowly. When two of these plates collide, the rock on top gets pushed up, and over time, it forms a mountain. It's kind of like how when you put a ball on a hill and let go, it rolls down. Except with mountains, it's much, much slower, like it takes millions of years for a mountain to form. But what causes the plates to move in the first place? Well, that's caused by the heat from the center of the Earth. It's kind of like a pot of boiling water. The heat from the water causes the rock to move around, which creates the waves that eventually lead to the collision of the plates and the formation of mountains. So next time you look at a mountain, remember that it's not just a pile of rocks. It's a giant testament to the power of the Earth's heat engine.